I want to share all my love with you. No one else will do.
And your
eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh yes, you will always be my endless love. Two hearts that beat as one.